So what are we doing, guys?
I'm very camera shy.
What are we doing today, guys?
Having a staring contest.
Ah, Blink!
Yeah!
We're going to go to. Where are we going?
You took my butt! Wayne reached to keep me up, and I was just like, what?
So you guys are okay with this going on YouTube?
Nope.
Yep.
I don't want
So we're going to.
The shadow
We're
is
going to go
holding.
clean Justin Bieber's.
No, guys, help! Okay. Okay.
No, we're going to the snow, and we're going to be going.
I don't
there with the
condone
snow.
this. I don't
We're
condone
going to go
this.
sledding, I think.
William, you better edit the shit out of this clip.
Whoever watches this video has big feet.
No.
Hey guys, we are getting gas, and today is perfect.
We're not getting gas.
What?
Kidnapped. Send help, please.
No, don't talk to him. Don't worry about him. So we are. We're in Shingletown store, right? We're coming out here to explore the woods and stuff, go play in the snow, and hopefully there's snow. We gotta go up a little bit higher, but it is very nice. It's hailing, exactly what we wanted. And yeah, this was just an update. Aaron's not being kidnapped. He's totally fine, and we'll get back to you once we get there. Okay, so we actually are still here at the gas station, but it's getting so haily. It's super epic. You can see, actually, you probably can't see that very well, but this is going to make our destination look really cool.
I've been kidnapped.
We,
Please.
you can ignore him, but we found a mistletoe as well.
Yeah, I was gonna give this to my girlfriend, but
These two just kissed. These two just kissed.
Okay, guys, our GoPro died. We're going to use Samsung quality phone now. Samsung S6.
Two cops just passed us going like 90, and they're going into the wilderness.
They're going after my dad.
They're over there. They're going after Aaron's dad. Not Gabe's dad, though.
No.
But yeah, you're going to deal with Samsung quality filmage.
So you guys are gonna see some great stuff in this vlog, like snowboarding, chopping down trees with a hatchet.
Snowboarding. We're not snowboarding in this vlog. That's false.
We're going to go explore the woods though, because it's looking very epic outside right now.
Can't you switch the camera?
Super epic. No, this one isn't that. Doesn't have that ability. Okay. Doesn't work like that. Sorry. Oh, my thumb is in the way. I'm super good.
Samsung is really.
I know, isn't it like such great quality? And you're like blurry back there. Actually, yeah. I'm blurry too. Look how pixely you are.
Where even is the camera? Is that it?
It's getting really epic outside.
Yeah, guys.
We're getting higher and more snow.
Filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
I'm writing a book back here because I've been kidnapped. It's called My Struggle, and it's in English.
He didn't get kidnapped. He's lying.
I'm not.
We're going to talk about the snow. Because look how epic it is right now. Hopefully there's going to be a lot more when we get higher.
We got a train of people behind us because I'm going 350. As if that's not fast enough.
We'd like fly off the road.
Especially in the snow.
He's not being kidnapped.
Yeah, I am. Ah!
And we'll get back to you.
I wonder where the cops went.
Oh yeah, we saw some cops go.
Fly up here.
They were going like 90.
I know.
Honestly, there was like
Yeah, I wonder if they're
Like a rocket?
One of them crashed on the side of the road.
if we see that, we'll record for you guys.
Yeah, we'll definitely record that. We need all the footy that we can get. So what are we about to do, William?
We're going to go chop down a tree.
Yeah.
We're going to use an axe and we're going to use a shovel. Chop down a tree.
Wait, what shovel?
And we're going to go. It's a shovel.
It's a nice shovel.
It's a sexy shovel.
Link in description where you can get that shovel.
Link in
by the way.
description where you can buy it.
Yeah. I'm not kidding. Link in description.
Dude, I don't know how to like store this sword on me.
Yeah.
Like this.
Just put it in your pants. Should call it good.
Well, you put everything in your pants.
All right, guys. Let's go look for a tree, man. We're gonna go cut down a Christmas tree. I'll catch you guys later.
Oh, hi.
There we go. All right, it's recording. Yep, I'm going to do different angles, so just keep doing it. Yeah, let's pick the best one in editing.
What are we doing, guys? You might ask. We're recording a product video. Link in description.
Link in description.
2 hours later.
Hey.
Still recording?
Yep.
Okay, guys.
Sweet.
Cool little product video. We're gonna edit some of that out. Go find a treat. See you guys later. What's up, guys? We just finished getting a Christmas tree and chopping down a little tree for the product video.
Yeah, you already know what's going on, guys. We just did some cool stuff in the forest.
Now we're going to
go
get
explore,
gas,
right?
explore.
Yeah, we're gonna go
and
Make a little more for this shovel.
Make the product video, man.
Yeah, we're gonna do some more exploring, guys.
All right, we'll see you guys later.
Yep, it's recording.
Sick. Let's go, guys. How's the angle, William?
What?
How's the angle?
It looks good.
Okay.
It's like slightly down.
Hey, hey, Lucky, stop it. Lucky, stop. Chill.
Michael, get your dog.
Lucky, come on.
Come here. What's his name?
Okay. Oh, this is scary. How's the view, Aaron?
The view's amazing up there.
No, from the GoPro. Lucky.
Oh,
Lucky.
I'm so tired.
Me too.
Wait. Walk.
We're in the military. Dude,
Lucky.
it looks so epic right now.
I know.
Look at that over there. Look at that.
Is it getting it? Tell the vlog.
Guys,
Tell the vlog what's up.
we're going up this hill. You can see there's so much snow everywhere. But we're going to slide down. We're going to beat Aaron to the bottom.
What's up, guys? You're on my head right now.
It's so epic outside. Dude, it's awesome. Look at that.
I know, dude. This looks amazing.
Someone just impaled by this.
Oh, plastic. I wonder if we got lucky getting in a fight on this thing.
Oh my gosh, I think you did.
I think so too.
Did you see her? She's like this.
I know.
Look at that.
What was she
view.
doing, Aaron?
She's like.
Do it for the vlog.
All right, you
like-
ready?
Wow.
Fine. Come on, Ace. She's like.
William! Are you okay? Are you okay? William might have just broken his hand or something. I gotta do this now. Here we go. Guys,
Dude, isn't that scary?
yes.
Yeah, I'm
Hi,
using
Lucky.
this one now. Yeah, here. That yellow one.
Well, I went off the jump, guys. That was kind of scary, but we'll see. I'm the only one that landed it, so.
I like peeled off.
I thought you like broke your wrist or something.
Oh.
So, see you guys later. We'll be back. See ya.
Look at Aaron.
Yo, I can move this.
this.
Oh my god.
That sinks right in there.
That's hella epic.
Aaron, be careful, dude.
Wait, yeah, do that again.
Okay, watch out.
Guys, win.
Ah, yeah, look at that baby.
Dude, that's so satisfying.
So guys, we are
Man,
here
look at
doing
this
some
piece
footage
of wood.
for this thing,
Wait, did you
but
start a new video?
I can't see anything.
Aaron's up there for some reason.
Here, let me talk to the vlog.
Very top.
So vlog, we're just recording, yeah.
Hey!
We're just
Yo, listen
Record
to
it.
that echo.
we're just recording for our product video right now.
No, we're not.
Like I said earlier, link in description. You guys need to see this.
The thing's super epic.
This is pretty crazy.
Super epic.
I'm not left-handed, so this is gonna be weird, but
Honestly, the biggest expectation, like, or what do you call it? I can't grammar right now.
biggest
But like the thing I didn't believe was this was actually going to cut through things.
yeah,
But it actually legit cuts down trees. We have some other footage
I know.
we'll show, but it's really surprising. Surprising how low quality this thing is.
Yeah, it's really good, guys. So definitely check it out if you want to. Not to, not like we're sponsored by them, but we actually work for them. So William's actually the assistant manager of the company or whatever.
Yeah, totally. There we go.
So yeah,
There's
we're gonna be
I'm back
doing
up in
some
the
entertaining stuff. While yeah, man, just stay tuned. Not exactly sure what they're doing, but
we didn't really go to the lake yet, but
we're in the middle of
we
nowhere
found a
right
tree
now.
that was
We're here in the wilderness, guys. We just finished our product video. We got like one more shot, but
yeah, we didn't go to the lake yet. We just kind of did the part video, and we found a tree that was already cut down.
this is our tree.
Oh no, William.
So far,
His
we've
name's Jeffrey,
just been.
and he's my weapon.
This is what I've had to deal with for the past, couple minutes. So, guys, we'll see you later. We're gonna have probably one more clip, and then call the vlog good, and you'll probably hear from us a week or two after we post it. So, yeah, peace out from the wilderness. Guys, look at this. We're driving in a full-blown snowstorm right now.
We might not make it to the lake tonight.
Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go. Like I'm in the middle of the road right now. There's nobody around us.
It's pretty epic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, about that lake thing, we'll try it.
We'll see what we can do about the lake. Make sure I don't crash, guys, okay?
Yeah, pray for us, please, guys.
This is the most snow I've ever driven in.
Even though you'll be watching this like a month.
Alright, guys.
We'll
Adios.
see you later.
Wish me luck, boys and girls.
Hey guys, we made it back. We didn't make it to the lake. We ran out of daylight, and it started snowing like crazy. We got some footage of it. You'll probably see it before this video. But I just want to do a little outro. I'm chilling with Nemoid right now. I kind of kidnapped him. I'm over here alone. Hopefully no one will find out that I got him. But yeah, if you like this kind of content, we would greatly appreciate if you subscribe. We plan on doing a lot more of this outdoor filming stuff, hopefully with better cameras in the future. Right now we're kind of switching between like iPhone, my camera, which is a Samsung, wonderful quality, and then GoPros. But we'll be more organized in the future. Again, you can subscribe if you want. But yeah. Oh no. He found me. No, he's mine.
Get out.
Subscribe, please.
Get out.